that if he wins, he is going to take our people and go to BJP. That's for sure. So, Michael vote galo and the BJP will come. We will not allow that. Digambar, everybody knows he wanted to go to BJP. Like a gay na. In the court party, Digambar court party, he is a criminal as well. Charge sheet filing is in Jaika, Reddiwater through violence. Anybody believes that there was no violence capabilities and the leader by Mutano, so this is our past. When we went for election under him, we got 9 seats. 9 seats. So सगळं हाजेकार बजेकार सगळ्यांना आपण हेल्प केला म्हणून तुम्ही हाजेकारांक बजेकारांक सगळ्यांक हेल्प केले 9 सीटां मागीर दिली व्हडल्या मनशाक घेवन तर गेले आनी तेणे सिस्टमॅटिकली आमचे लिडर हाडले ऑनस्ट लिडर हाडले काँग्रेस तांकां काबार केले लुईस रिजिनार्डाक तांकां सफोकेट करून